Today we will start with the chapter compound interest. Now, in order to calculate the compound interest, we have to use the formula A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N, where A is the amount that we get at the end of a time period. So the principal along with the interest, which is compounded, is known as the amount. P, we have learned before, P is the principal, that is the amount that we invest. R is the rate of interest. What is the rate of interest? The rate of interest, the unit is generally percent. What is the rate for a year? So it is called as percent per annum, right? And N is the number of years for which the investment is placed. So N equals to number of years. Now, let us start with the first practice set. That is the practice set which is exercise 3.14.1, exercise 14.1. And since we require this formula, I'm not rubbing out the formula at all, right? So we use it for various sums. So this is what I can do. This is my practice set. Fourteen point one. Now in the first question, we will do the first question, the first sum in the first question, which is principal is equal to rupees 2,000. The rate of interest is, they are giving me at a rate of 5% per annum, and it is kept for a time period of 2 years. Now we can calculate amount is equal to principal into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. So we use this formula where we calculate the amount. Now amount is equal to 2,000 open the bracket 1 plus rate of interest is 5 upon 100 raised to 2. So now here we get it as 2,000. Now what I will do to make it easier, I'll open this bracket of course, but here I will cancel 5 ones are 5 20s are. So when I take the LCM, I take the LCM as 20. This is raised to the power of 2. 20 plus 1. 20 plus 1. Okay, how did I get 20 plus 1? 1 into 20, 20. This is upon 1. Plus 1 into 1, 1 raised to 2. So this is equal to 2,000 into 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20 twice. Now we cancel this 0 and this 0 along with these two zeros. 2 ones are, 2 tens are, 2 ones are, 2 fives are. So my amount is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 into 21 multiplied by 21. 21 into 21, since it ends in 1, I'd shown you a shortcut, right? 1 at the end, square 2. 2 square is 4. Okay. So we'll do 21 into 21. I'll show you this method. So what you do, you double the number. 2 ka double is 4 and 2 square is also 4. So you get 441. Now you multiply it by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20 plus 2 is 22. So this is my amount, rupees 2205. Therefore, compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. The amount is 2205 minus 2000, which is equal to rupees 205. Rupees 205. Okay, so we have to find the amount and the compound interest. Is that clear? Now, for the next sum, we will just change these values. Now, we'll see the next question, question number 2. Principal is equal to rupees 5,000. Rate of interest is 8 PCPA. And number of years, 3 years. So my formula, amount is equal to principal into 1 upon R, 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. So that is equal to 5,000. Okay, open the bracket. 1 plus 8 upon 100 raised to the power of 3. Now, when we cancel it, we can cancel 4 2s are 8, 4 25s are 100. So this is equal to 5,000 multiplied by 25 plus 2 upon 25 raised to 3. So this is equal to 5,000 into 27 upon 25 multiplied by 27 upon 25 multiplied by, this is 27 upon 25 multiplied by 27 upon 25. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 25 ones are 25 eights are. Now see what happens. So now we get it as A is equal to 8 into 27 into 27 into 27 3 times. Upon what am I left with? I'm left with 25. Now see, it does not cancel easily. So in order to make it cancel, what we can do is we can multiply the numerator by 4 and the denominator 2 by 4. Now what is the advantage of this? I will get 32 into, first I'll multiply 27 3 times. 27 into 27 into 27. I want you to multiply it. Give me the answer. Yeah, the answer is 1 9 6 8 3 upon 100. When I have upon 100, it's easier to cancel. That is why I multiplied it by the 4. So when I multiply this by 32, I'll get it as 629 856. When I divide it by 100, it goes 2 decimal places. So my amount is equal to rupees 6298.56. And when I minus it from 5,000, so this is 6298.56 minus 5,000. So my answer is equal to rupees 1298.56. 1298.56. Okay, let's go to the next question. Let us go to the next question. Again, let's replace the principal. So compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Now, what is my principal equal to? This is my third sum. Principal is equal to rupees 4,000. Rate of interest 7.5%. Per annum. And my number of years, how many years? 2 years. So this is equal to 4,000 1 plus 7.5 upon 100 raised to the power of 2. Correct. So this is equal to 4,000. Now see how I'm going to calculate this. Open the bracket. I'll write this as 1 plus 75 upon 1,000. I remove the decimal point, raised to 2. Now, this is equal to 25 threes are 25 40s are. Right. So what do I have here? So I get that is equal to 4,000 okay, into 40 plus 3, correct? Now this will become 40 plus 3. So that becomes 43 upon 40. So 43 upon 40 into 43 upon 40. Only twice. 1, 2, 1, 2 zeros gets cancelled. So 4 ones are 4, 4 tens are 40. This can be cancelled with 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So now I multiply 5 into, I have no choice. I'll multiply 5 into 43. Then again, I'll multiply it by 43. Whatever answer I get, I will divide by 2. So let me see you multiplying 43 into 43 into 5. 43 multiplied by 43 multiplied by 5 is equal to 9245. 9245. Now please divide it by 2 very carefully. So what will I get when I divide by 2? 2 4s are 8. 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. I have a remainder of 1. 2 5s are 10. Okay, so this is my amount. Therefore, compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. So that is equal to 4622.5 minus 4,000. So that is equal to rupees 622.50 paise. So this is my compound interest. Okay. 622.50 paise. Now Let's go to the second question. We have finished the first part. Let us go to the second question. Again, they'll be asked for, we have to read the question. Now, see my principle. This is my second question. Sameer Rao has taken a loan of 12,500. At a rate of 12% per annum. For 3 years. If the amount is compounded annually, how much rupees he should pay to clear his loan? So in this case, they are not asking you for the compound interest. We don't have to calculate the compound interest. How much money he has to pay? He has to pay the money along with the principal amount. So what is my principal amount? The formula is the same, 12,500. Next, 1 plus rate of interest is 12 upon 100 raised to the power of 3. Now, I'll cancel with 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 25s are 100. So this is equal to 12,500 into, this will be 125 is at 25 plus 3. Okay, 28 upon 25 multiplied 3 times. So into 28 upon 25 into 28 upon 25. Now very carefully watch the cancellation. Now this will cancel with 25. 25 ones are 25. 25 fives are 25 ones are 25 20s are 5 fours are 5 fives are. So therefore amount is equal to 4 into 28 multiplied by 28 multiplied by 28 upon 5. Now, as I told you, instead of dividing by 5, I can multiply this by 210. So this also, because it's easier to divide when there is 10 over there, right? So now you multiply 8 into 28 into 28 into 28. So we get rupees 175 616 divided by 10. That becomes rupees 17,561.60 paise. Please write the answer statement. Answer statement. To clear his loan. To clear his loan. Sameer Rao. S, I'm writing S. Has to pay back rupees 15761.60. Okay, I want to write that entire thing. Is that clear? Now let's go to the last sum of the exercise. Last sum of the exercise. Sum number 3. Let's check out the question. To start a business, Shalaka has taken a loan of rupees 8,000. Loan of rupees 8,000 at a rate of 10.5% per annum. So when I'm writing 10.5, I'll write it as 10.5% per annum. Okay. After 2 years, how much compound interest will she have to pay? So number of years is 2 years. We are calculating the compound interest, right? But the amount we have to calculate first. First, we have to write 8,000. Open the bracket. 1 plus my rate of interest is 10.5 upon 100 raised to the power of 2. So this becomes 8,000 1 plus 105 upon 1,000. I took off the point here, so I could add the 0. Raised to 2. Right? I took off the point, so I added the 0. Now, let's cancel with 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 200. Right? So this is equal to 8,000. By now I've taught you 200 plus 21. That becomes 221 into 221 upon, that is 200 plus 21, correct, 221 upon 200 into 200. Let's see how we can cancel best. 1, 2, 3 zeros will cancel. 4. So we'll cancel with 2. So we'll say 2 tens are, 2 fours are, 2 fours are 8, 2 tens are, 2 ones are, and 2 twos are. I try to keep the 2 down, right? So I have to multiply 2 into 221 into 221 upon 10. Kindly multiply 21, 221 into 221 into 2, 9, 7, 6, 8, 2 divided by 10. Rupees 9, 7, 6, 8.20. This is my amount. So in order to calculate the compound interest, I will write compound interest is equal to amount minus principal, which is equal to rupees 9768.20 minus rupees 8,000. Okay, so the compound interest I have to pay is 1768.20. 1768.20. Okay, so when I minus it, I'm writing it here, equals to rupees 1768.20. This is my compound interest. Please write the answer statement. Please write the answer statement. Compound interest payable by Shalaka. The compound interest payable by Shalaka is rupees 1768.20. 1768.20. Is that clear?